Hi guys, this is Tech Factory. Today I'm going to show how to become a beta tester for your apps in your Android mobile. Yeah, you all may know that beta program is a earlier version of the app. You can use the earlier version before the release by becoming a beta tester. Yeah, it's a vast process. How to find the beta program is also somewhat difficult. So here I'm going to teach you how to find a beta tester of the app in the easiest way. Yeah, for that you need to download the app called Betamanic. Yeah, here is the app. You need to download the app and just click into the app. The interface of the app is look like this. The blue tick mark shows that your app has an beta program. Yeah, you can test the beta program as the blue tick mark has in the app. Yeah, I'm going to test one of it just to see. Yeah, this Healthify Me. Yeah, it shows that it has a beta program, and to become a beta tester just punch in the become a tester. Yeah, and you may show that you are a beta programmer, you are a beta tester. Yeah, this is how we need to punch in or we need to enable the beta program for your apps in the Android device. It's such a easiest way. I think the video is very useful, and thank you for watching. For more future videos, subscribe Tech Factory.